Okay, we're going to move over to our next presenters. We have the lovely Dr. Sofia. Hi, Dr. Sofia. This is our live stream. No, this is a recorded stream. It's not a live stream. Just asking the presenters what they have, what they're showcasing, and what their project is all about.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is a very well, at the moment, we do have Jimmy Lee showcasing the website through that's provided or hosted on Canvas at the moment, but created through Rise 360 on refugee students' experiences before they come to Canada, some of the things that they've gone through in that journey from various parts of the world who come to BC. And to help this whole resources to help teachers be better informed and have some insights into some of the psychosocial challenges that students might be having, and then also how to address those psychosocial challenges by using a strength-based approach, specifically looking at what are the mechanisms that they already have to be excellent students and contributing members to our society. And it has a bank of resources for teachers, including novels, video games, graphic novels, and the LDDI team did an incredible job of just taking this material, this information, and making a beautiful interactive website for that. And teachers can use this for themselves or even to help welcome newcomers to their classrooms if they wish to do that. So they've done an excellent job. I am totally indebted and feel very, very happy to be able to have worked with you all.
And what has the feedback been like so far?
So we have workshopped the manual with a few different schools, and I've also been able to expose it to leadership in the Lower Mainland. So there are principals and vice principals who have access to this, who do specific work in EDI, and the feedback has been phenomenal. It's been very much welcomed. Everyone has mentioned that there is a need for this kind of resource. So the feedback has been really, really great, and we are continuing to collect feedback to see what else we can do to improve some of the smaller issues. For example, increasing the number of country cases that we have, because right now we have Ukraine, Afghanistan, and Syria. We will shortly have Eritrea and Venezuela, which are other communities of people who are coming to BC. And I think teachers will find that beneficial to have a little bit of information about what are the conflicts in those areas to help students who are coming in, especially to the rural areas in BC.
Right. And so in terms of the research and why is it that you got started with this project in the first place?
Oh, okay. So there's a PERCAR endowment grant that was provided for knowledge mobilization on a mental health issue that's related to children. And so for this particular project, as you might know, people who come from war zones might be really struggling with psychosocial issues. And we often think of them as already being traumatized. But the truth is, they also have a great deal of resiliency, and they have a lot of coping mechanisms that can be very beneficial for teachers to know and to tap into when they are helping them with their educational needs and whether their family needs or other needs that they have, generally speaking. So my hope as a teacher and as an educator is to better support teachers to help meet the needs of their students. And I thought this would be a wonderful way of doing that, specifically through better understanding of the refugees' circumstance, experiences, and backgrounds.
Thank you, Dr. Sofia. I know that this project will go far, and hopefully other provinces may want to get involved. And it's so important, this research that you have done and the far reach that it will get to.
I hope so as well. The truth is there is a scarcity of this kind of resource for teachers across Canada. And I look forward to continuing to working with the LDDI team in order to create more materials for other provinces and territories across Canada, especially in the northern areas where there seems to be, and the Maritimes as well, where there seems to be a real scarcity for information, but that also seems to be the site where a lot of newcomers nowadays are resettling. So I look forward to working with the team again to create more resources for our teachers.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sophia.